this problem on your Shortmax app. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, click here on settings. So when you click on settings here, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do, so you just go down here, then you click here on apps, then come to apps list here, and here you're looking for Shortmax, or just click on search. So then here at Shortmax, it's going to show for you like this. Click on it, then it's going to take you to this list here. So then you click here on force stop, click on OK. So then you go down, just click here on storage, come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just restart your phone and start it again, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.